Hello and welcome to this very first Photoshop tutorial. My name is Kilgore333 and I'm a part of ReconNetworks.com. Here on YouTube we are known as the ReconNetworks channel, and pretty much today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Vista bar. As you may have noticed, Vista has a very shiny user interface, and I'd like to kind of be able to show you how to actually replicate that. So without further ado, I guess we'll start it off. Alright, now we're actually going to go up to File, and we're going to create, we're going to click New, or you can press Control N, and we're not going to use any presets. We are going to, actually we're just going to go to Width, and we're going to type in about, let's say you wanted to make a user bar, so we'll actually make a user bar and the Vista thing at the same time. And we'll make it 320 by 20. Or just to even it out instead of the 19 rule that we usually have for user bars. Or I think it's 350. I'm not really sure, but that's not what we're here for. So actually, what we're going to do, first order of business, would be to establish the background color for what we're going to be making. So pretty much what we're going to do is we want a slight, very dark color, slight gray color, maybe around 2.4, maybe something a little bit more darker like 2.2, 2.2, 2.2. And actually we're just going to go to our paint bucket right here, and we'll just fill it in. And we have a very dark color, but that's what we want. So I'm going to bring this down a little bit, so now we can actually see we're going to create a new layer using this button. And now on our layer 2, we actually have two layers. Now we have a transparent layer, and we have our first layer, which is our colored in area. And we're going to go up to our marquee tool, which we're actually going to make a selection about half of half, or almost 3/4 of the top half of this. And if I need to, let me zoom in a little bit better so you can see this. I'm actually going to go back up to my second layer. Make sure that your second layer is selected, and we're actually going to go back to our paint bucket, but this time we're going to right click, and we're going to go to the gradient tool. Now up here we have a lot of effects and different kinds of gradient effects here. But we're going to stay on the linear one, which is this very first box right here. And we're going to click on the gradient box right here, which will bring up our gradient editor. And we have a few presets here, and I'm going to select this one, this second one, foreground to transparent. And as you see, this if you look over here at my bar over here, you'll see that this is the same color that we used to fill in over here. And as it progresses outward to the right, it actually fades out to transparent, fully transparent. So we're just going to click OK, because we'll switch it over to white in just a second. This down here is our primary and our secondary color, and we can click this arrow going both ways, and it'll switch. Or you can also press the X key to switch between the two colors. But we're going to stick with the white, and up here we still have our gradient from white to transparent. And we want to start a little bit above this, above the dotted line. So we're going to actually be dragging this down from the canvas and bringing it down to about right there. Now, when I click off of this, we're actually going to zoom back out, and you'll notice that we have a very shiny user bar interface, or whatever you want to call it. And the reason why I chose the gradient with the white for the very bright at the top, and then it fades to transparency, is because it's more of a lighting effect, like the perspective, if you will, where down here it's brighter, and as we go down the user bar, it's a lot it starts to fade or get dark, and that pretty much creates this shine on it. And that's really pretty much it. This is just a basic tutorial here. I'll get into more complicated things later, but I just kind of wanted to break the mold so you can start creating other things. You can experiment with this tutorial. And also, if you have any questions, you can drop by at ReconNetworks.com and just sign up with us if you have any questions or would like to contribute anything. Well, that's pretty much it for the rest of this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a good day.